Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide for today will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension for the Google Chrome browser. This extension is called Best Files Downloader. So the developers of this extension indicate that by installing it you will be able to improve the way you download various files. Probably the description of this extension sounds pretty convincing. Some people might think that this is okay to install the extension, but the problem is that this particular extension is often spread through fake software or browser update alerts, and it also may be bundled with some free programs that you might decide to install. I strongly urge you not to tolerate this particular extension called Best Files Downloader, and if it was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, I recommend you to uninstall it immediately. In many cases, all these third-party extensions like this one may also play the role of adware in the computer and display various advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Some extensions like that may also hijack some crucial browser settings. So I recommend you to get rid of them immediately. Access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, and then choose Extensions. So if you find this particular extension to be the part of your browser, get rid of it. You may disable the extension like this and then remove the extension completely. Finally, I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.